The Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yorubaland, Ìbà Gani Adams, has said that the southwest region had paid about 3 billion naira as ransom to kidnappers in the last 2 years. Adams stated this on Thursday at the Southwest Security Stakeholders Conference organized by the Southwest Security Stakeholders Group with the theme Stemming the Tide of Insecurity in Southwest Nigeria, a criminology therapy held in Abeokuta, the Ogun State capital. It disclosed that no fewer than 200 lives were lost as a result of insecurity in the region in the years under review. Adams noted that if the leaders fail to act on the developments, the region may record the same incident being experienced in the northern part of the country. He appealed to the federal government to consider regionalism as a way out of the present situation in the country.